Hello everybody, this is my second video. So in this video we'll learn some commands related to files and folders. So first command that we'll see, so how to create folder, then we'll see how to create the files, then how we can type something into that file, how we can end up that file, how we can create the empty files and all. So to create the folder, then this mkdir is the command and you can provide that folder name. So this is the test is the folder name and mkdir is the command. So see, this folder is created here, this one, right? Now how I can move into this folder? So that is the change directory cd test. Now I am in this folder now. This is /test. You can see your current location using pwd, so you are now in this test folder. You can use ls to list out the files and directory from that folder. So we have just created this test folder, so it's empty. Now we can create the empty files and this test folder using this touch command. Suppose test1, test2, test3 and so on. So see, these commands have been, these files have been created in this. So these are the empty files. You can open this file. So these are the empty files. This is empty, this is also empty, and this is also empty. So these three empty files we have created using this touch command. Now suppose I need to type something into this. So cat this and test1. So test1 we have seen, that is the empty. Now here I can type something, and to end of this we can use Ctrl D. So this is end of file. Now we can see this test1 file. See, whatever I have typed there, so this has been typed here. So you can see this. Also you can see whatever we have typed in this, like this, using simply change this sign. So you can view that whatever we type here, so that same thing we can view here. Now it's in same way we can type into now we have created these three files with some contents. Now we can see this. Thank you. Now this is the content in this test3 file. Next command is how to rename this. Suppose rename as mv, then support test1 and test5. This is the new name of my file. So see, this test5 we have renamed the test1. Same way, this is test6 and this is suppose 2. So now this is 2, so it will be renamed with 6. So this is 6. So in this way we can rename that files also. Also we can remove that files and folder. So like rm test3. So this has been removed. You can see, so only 2 files are there. So using that rm we have removed the particular file. So now this is suppose 5, so this will be deleted, this will be deleted, this has been deleted. So these were the very basic commands. If you like my video, please subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.